Welcome back to the Dencrn channel. My name is Den. Today, focus. What? This is why I stopped using my SE to film videos for this channel. This is a Dell Latitude 5280. It's got an Intel Core i5 7300U with 16 gigabytes of RAM, which came out of my G15, which actually has 32. If you don't know what G15 is, it's the Dell G15, which is my old primary system. But now, it is my PC that, yes, the video is coming. I'm so sorry. I've been so busy outside of this channel, and I haven't had a chance to just finish the whole video. But this is gonna be the last time I mentioned that it's coming. It's hopefully gonna be out by next month, I hope. This currently runs Windows, I think Windows 11 LTSC 2024. Let me just boot it up. However, there is one thing about this laptop that is pretty bad about it. I'm gonna have to nano-cell this on Gumtree style. Nanocells on Gumtree style, sorry. But yeah, it's currently got Windows 11 on it. But yeah, this is my current primary laptop, which has Windows 11 and basically all my alternative applications like Brave, Chrome, Florp, which is just Firefox but better, Audacity, which I would use to film my audio for this video, but I've already got another device doing that anyways, and that is my old laptop, which is the Asus one, which I've made many videos about, mainly in macOS, of course. But yeah, I've got VMware Desktop, which is just Dencrn with a web version of Discord on it. Now, before you're about to say, are you going to Hackintosh this device? The answer to that, lucky Dencrn viewer, is yes, I plan to, but we've got to do some things first before I even can Hackintosh it, which is make the USB, because I haven't even made the USB yet. So, be right back, I'm going to go to the computer. We're here on macOS Ventura version 13.7.4. Now, I still haven't mounted the EFI, however, I do have a issue with this. See this? The lag on the mouse? Yeah, that's not really meant to happen. I've got a USB mouse plugged in, and it's perfectly fine. I go to my trackpad, and it feels like crap. On Windows, it's perfectly fine. On Linux, it's perfectly fine. It's just macOS. So I'm going to mount the EFI first, so we can not have a USB that's actually burning my hand. So we're going to mount the EFI by Corp Newt. I don't know how to say it, but I'll leave a link to this in the description below. I don't even remember how to do this. It's been a minute. I would record with OBS, but QuickTime's built into macOS, so it does the job. I already know I'm going to have to do this. It's going to complain, exactly. It's going to complain saying, it's not verified. And of course I don't have Python installed, so I'm going to install. Why do things that never work on the channel? So yeah, I'm going to fix this trackpad issue, because this is literally me using the trackpad right now. I'm not doing it deliberately. This is a mouse. This is the trackpad. It's a bit insane. So I'm going to go fix this, and I will meet you guys when I hopefully have this fixed. A little bit of time has gone past, and I have some news for you. I'm currently using the trackpad. I'm not using a mouse, and this is proof. That is proof I'm using the trackpad perfectly fine. I got it fixed, and it works now. So, back to what we were doing. Is Hackintosh still usable in 2025? Well, one way to find out. So, it's been a couple days since I got macOS installed on my Latitude 5280, and I'm going to be showing you pretty much the boot process and what I've been using the device for. So, I'm going to plug this in because the battery is absolutely shot, and I don't have the money to fix it right now. We're going to do this nano-selling on Gumtree style again. Turn the laptop on. As you can see, it says the Dell logo. And if I press enter, it shows the Apple logo. This does have a very quick boot up time as well. It is definitely very much faster than my old Windows-based Hackintosh, which was my Asus laptop. Oh, would you look at that? It says subscribe to Dencrn. After I enter the password correctly, of course. And here we go. This is my macOS install. Ignore the battery percentage. It is basically dead. Like, I bet you if I unplug it, it'll be dead. Or complain about it being dead. But yeah, if you haven't noticed, I got the trackpad working. I'm currently using it to move it all around. Now, I don't know why my camera is lagging on 4K, so I'm going to switch to 1080 real quick. And there we go. That might be a little better. But yeah, this is my macOS install instance. I still don't know why it's lagging. I probably blame Samsung for this. But yeah, this is my Hackintosh experience, and I have recorded proof that the trackpad works. Anyways, thank you all very much for watching this Dencrn video. If you haven't enjoyed this different style, usual once a year Hackintosh still usable series, then definitely consider subscribing to the channel, because I make more than just Hackintosh videos. Again, my channel is mainly known for that. As you can see, it's definitely just Apple content because that's what gets the views. So yeah, this is my usual Hackintosh. Everything works. I can even use gestures, which is a bit surprising, I know. I even have a custom cursor. Yes, that is using Mousecape, which is a free software from GitHub. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Anyways, thank you all very much for watching this Dencrn video. If you happen to enjoy it and you want to see more, definitely consider subscribing. Anyways, hopefully the next video will be the PC video. Finally. I'm sorry, I've just been so busy outside of the channel. I've been basically either not editing or working or just working on other content alongside that video. But yeah, thank you all very much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.